Welcome to a new video where we demonstrate drawing the pictures of some birds. Are you ready to draw the pictures of those birds? Okay, let us start with the picture of a parrot. A parrot is very associated with men. We like them, so we can draw it and color it. Now we move to our next picture where we are drawing the picture using the red color itself. So the main body of the bird has been drawn using the red color. It is a crane and it is standing in a water body. Okay, so we have blue colored water. Okay, we move to our next picture. Which is this bird? Is this a bullbull? I think so. Okay, we can draw it. So you can see the body and you can see two heart shapes in the body. So this is very easy to draw. Now we draw a circle and from that circle we make a chick, and this chick is having her breakfast. What is her breakfast? A worm, exactly. So we have drawn it and we can color it. We use yellow color for the chick. Now here is a 2 and from this 2 we are making a duck. A duck can swim and float over water, so this duck is over water. Now we draw a picture of a bird with a worm in her beak. So we have drawn a worm in the beak of this bird. This bird is sitting on a branch of a tree. So we are drawing the branch as well. Now again we draw the picture of a crane with a red color itself. So we don't have to use black or any other color for the body of the crane. And now we move to the next picture where a single stroke itself makes the body of the bird. We are adding 2 legs and eyes and other features, but all other features like the body's wings as well as its tail have been drawn in a single stroke. Now let us move to next picture. This is a picture of a swan, a white swan, and this also can float over the water. So here is the water, and then we can add some water plants and water flowers there. Okay, we are drawing that, and finally we can color this picture. Now we move to the final picture in this video. This is a picture of a pair of birds. So this is very lovely, and the body of the birds have been drawn using 2 heart shapes. You can see that, and finally we can color it.